In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the button label on Shopify to give your online store a more customized appearance. Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform, but sometimes you might want a little extra flexibility in designing your site. Whether you want to align your button label differently for aesthetic purposes or to better meet your design needs, this tutorial is here to guide you through the process, step by step. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, look to the left side menu where you'll see Online Store. Click on that. This section is essentially your gateway to all things related to your store's appearance. Now, when the drop-down menu appears, choose Themes. Here, you'll find all the details about your current theme along with a few options to manage it. With your theme loaded, locate and click on the Actions button, usually situated to the right of your current theme. A drop-down menu will appear now. Select Edit Code. This might sound a bit intimidating, but don't worry, this tutorial will guide you smoothly through it. Editing the code can seem daunting at first, but with some practice, you'll find it's not as difficult as it sounds. In the code editor, look for the Sections folder on your left-hand side. Once you locate it, click on it, and a list of files will appear. You want to look for a file labeled something like producttemplate.liquid. This is typically where buttons and their labels are coded. Depending on your theme, they might be organized slightly differently, but they should follow this format. Open up this file, as we'll be making a few edits here. Scroll through the code until you find the HTML code for your button. It's usually wrapped in something called a button tag. Once you've located the correct tag, you might see attributes like class or ID attached to it. Ignore those for now and focus on the label text. Here's the crucial step. We're going to move the label text and place it wherever it's needed for your design. If your button text is inside direct quotes in the button tag, cut and paste it to another section within the tag that makes sense for your layout. If you're uncertain or if something doesn't look quite right, take a moment to consult Shopify's support or community forums. They can be a treasure trove of additional guidance. After making your changes, click Save in the top right corner. It's important to save frequently to avoid losing your work. Finally, return to your Shopify storefront and refresh the page. Examine the button's new appearance to ensure it fits with your overall design. Adjust as necessary and keep tweaking until you're satisfied. Don't be afraid to experiment a little. Sometimes trial and error can yield the most creative results. Thanks for watching, and enjoy customizing your Shopify store. Remember, subtle changes like moving button labels can make a big impact on your store's usability and aesthetics.